Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with anyone using a link. It's simple, fast, and works on any device. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and search for Google Drive. Now, press Enter. From the search results, click on the first link. That's the official Google Drive website. Once you're in, click on the plus new button on the left side. Then click on File Upload. Now choose the video file you want to upload from your computer. Click on Open. The video will start uploading. It may take a few seconds depending on the file size. Once it's uploaded, locate the video file in your drive. Right-click on it and click Share. In the Share window, click on Copy Link. Now you can send this link to anyone you want, and they'll be able to view or download the video. And that's it. Now you know how to upload and share videos using Google Drive. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.